Hello guys, today I have a A26 LT International. This truck won't start. It has all kind of funny lights on the dash, like all of them on, and it won't start. It just crank and crank and crank. It won't start. I came in here. I found that one. It has a circuit breaker like that one. Is a B5. That is a fuse. B5. I think X. Let me see. I have my this thing here. Body controller. It's a B5W. It was a circuit breaker like this one, so I push it in, and I can hear my engine control module or the fuel pump, whatever, like making a weird, like a noise, like kicking in, and after that the truck fire up right away. I found corrosive on the battery cables and at the power distribution module, which is right here. I can show you in a second. So I replaced the breaker just in case there was something wrong with the breaker, and I also cleaned these ones here, which one of these cable powers the body controller, which is inside here, right behind here. So I cleaned that, cleaned my battery terminals, and I'm gonna take this truck for a ride and see is the problem come back. But if you have a cranking won't start issue, that could be your problem, so go and check that out. All right, bye.